Hi, I'm Sean, and I just wanted to make a quick video to explain about the inverting X, Y, and Z axes directions and what that means for the printer. So first off, this is my Mendelmax printer here. This is the front of the printer here, left-hand side, right-hand side here, and the back of the printer over here with the Y-axis motor. So when looking at the printer, the 000 point is going to be the corner of the glass right here. That is, the table is as far back as it can go, the X head is as far left as it can go, and the Z axis is all the way down so that the nozzle tip is just touching right here. In my firmware, my values for X, Y, and Z invert, I've got true for the X, false for the Y, and false for the Z. And these are affected by a number of different physical properties of your printer, which I will show right now. First off, I'll take the X direction, which is this motor right here. Right now I can see the pulley, which means that my invert X direction has to be true. This is actually an upgraded part that I printed myself, and this is my old X-axis, which sat like this. In this version of the X-axis, the motor faced the other direction so that I would see the back of the motor here and the pulley was the other direction. In switching the X end here from the motor being this way to the motor being this way, I either had to change the value in the firmware from true or from false to true, or I would have had to change the wiring on the ramp so that the coils are switched. So, and the same goes for the Y-axis. If I were to have mounted it the other direction, then I would also need to change the Y-axis here in software to be true instead of false. And here on the ramps board, I've got everything mounted such that the red wire coming from the stepper motor is closest to where the power goes in. So as I'm looking down on the ramps, I've got black, green, blue, red, and then that's reading from left to right, and then the power connection here. That's how it's shown on the reprap wiki. I hope this helps clear some things up, and hopefully you get printing.